I've made another improvement to the automaton. I've made a roller cam follower, because there was rather a lot of friction as the high points in the cam were coming down. They were, you know, rubbing rather hard, and despite polishing the surfaces and adding a spot of oil, it was still pretty high friction. You can see very much how I've done it there, but I've just laminated up the metal to sufficient thickness with just tack welding extra bits of metal on. The back plate's welded on, but the front plate can be removed by those two screws. 3mm shaft, turned brass pulley. It does improve it, so I'll probably proceed and do this side as well. It's more elegant, you haven't got these fingers having to hold it onto the cam. I actually think that's the cam that will have more friction because it's got a greater travel. Yeah, I could do with a heftier return spring, especially on this side. But yeah, all coming on. Yeah, leave comments, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. But it's nice to see comments, because I expect a lot of you will be wanting me to get back to bows. Ah, bows. Talking of which, the next project, I've got this rather handsome Austrian yew stave that's been languishing in the garage. Belongs to a mate of mine, and it will make a heavy, you know, 120 pound odd bow. But unfortunately he can't draw that weight anymore, but he's generously said I can use it to make a bow for one of my other mates, JT, who's still into pulling the heavy stuff. Yeah, there's a bit of split out here, where it was split out from the log, but there's plenty of meat there, you can see. Sapwood will need reducing a little bit of character at this end, a little bit of burr sort of knot, but yeah, that'll be a handsome bow. It'll be a while before I do that, probably once the weather gets a bit cooler and once I've finished the automaton. But that'll be the autumn project. That's about it. I hope you can remain patient and wait for the next bow.